Yeah, say me never tell you. Find one little big woman or so in her 30s, 40s. Where you see a try having pity them hungry. I better you take up a cup and go get she. Yaks that hombre there, we sing the farming tune. I say farming over braffing. You know what going on the thinking mouth than out, you know, man. You see me I deal with the thinking mouth in a real life, no joke. You feel me? Yes, daddy. When you see the G, you say, yo, thinking mouth, you no joke. You see me? You see how done? What is it? Yeah, no, don't put no Dan pan it, no nothing. You see me say, yo, thinking mouth. In a real life, to post the class. Could you thinking about boss? Could you thinking about that? Could you thinking about general? You thinking about federation? Big up on yourself. Anyway, sorry. Hold on, sorry. Thinking more.
So next week will be a very interesting week. If you're a lucky person, that will get a full cook stacked with chicken and also bags of feed. That's some youth in me. So me go build a full cook. The next week will be a very interesting week. If you're a lucky person, that will get a full cook stacked with chicken and also bags of feed. That's some youth in me. So me go build a full cook. The next week will be a very interesting week. If you're a lucky person, that will get a full cook stacked.
Yes. Wanna look a workless blood clot, boy. Wanna hear the man say Falco, but no for no pussy hole. Who not make Falco? Wanna figure look work? Wanna figure look some bumbo clot work? Wanna dirty boy. And dirty man I say simple and easy like that. The man just relax. And I tell you, say, I'm buy you some bumbo clot fall. Because wanna need some Falco, wanna need some hog pen, wanna need some goat. Una need some fucking land figure farm me down, bad man. You feel me? I deal with pussy. And una need to talk some people for real. We need to get a one buckler and fall cup. Cause you start doing right thing right now. No fun to run up and down back a bum buckler artist and a drink NEC. Don't give them no NEC extra none tall. Go pussy clad look at work, man. 2021 now the whole out no bum buckler there. What listen nasty in a pussy hole. Who don't want to go fucking look some work. Who don't want to go farm down piece of land. Look how Jamaica have forests. Jamaica have the most forests me seen. Foreigner forests. Wallpaper forests. We have wallpaper forests. No man. No one take up them bumbucklad self. I'm gonna chop down one piece of acre there so. Chop down one piece of acre there so and put up two pussy-clad pole and build a fall cup. No man no one go. They go, watch there. Christmas come, you hungry like dog. You could have a fall cup with beer fall in there. Sell some I fall them and fall for yam. You and the fall them good. You pussy hole, you no want do them look thing there in life. Bumbo hole. Every day you know I get up and I run back a artist. Someone artist boy a fall. Remember that. Every day you have one bag of waste man them a run up and down back on the boy. Yo, yeah man. There your boss said you do it. The boy can violate you. Pussy. Gunshot with bossy there. Them they look a waste man there. Them look a frozen man there. Them look a man there when I go nowhere in a bumbuck like life. Who no have round and so no have one squad. When you look everybody that blood clot jail. You know what look a better man for your friend them now. Go buy some hog. Give your friend them dog. Go buy some goat. Go buy some pussy clad pepper seed. Go buy some of them things that make them go farm out one land. Go buy a machine. And no found the boy if you get a machine to me and see my business here too. No found no. Man like all fully but forget 128 and sharpen that. Pussy. You feel have a 28 for yourself. When you walk a morning time in your blood clot water boat for go chop down one place. And go deal with that. Man like Tavi, if you go get a machine, chop down one little forest, plant up some pepper, get 2 sticks, jam in the earth, make some bumbuckler cub, fling some fall in it, dada. Man like Foota fi him personally fi get to a hog pen. Him and the hog them all resemble. Them woulda get along perfect. No found in a business for bumbuckler get to a them fall cub ya where youngster talk about. Youngster, you reach too far. You go out in a industry if you give out them kubia. Because here we go on. You just come in a business and I give out kub. Youngster, you. For sure you see you believe in yourself, youth. You youngster. And you believe in others, I'm see it. Before you buy anything, you buy them kub. I'm rate that. Enough people don't say, yo, why you don't buy them money a kub? Because you go look some bumbuckler work. If you go look work and take you on the pity them on the baby mother they hate to no dog. Pussy. I want to no dog. Right now, youngster, and the girl them forget the cub. Me not lie. You youngster forget the cub to some girl because the boy a waste man dog. What the bumbuckler there, youngster? Youngster, me see what you do. Notice. The man them not pray what you pray. The body man them ya. You see me? All they want to do is run up and down back hot Mondays, right back artists them, and they wind up themselves like bitch. I be a idiot man them ya in the dog. You know that you know. Youngster time when you want buy machete and cub and give all of them bumbuckler to idiot boy. You need to give girl them a cub them because right now them ya boy a idiot. Them ya boy only want suck be a pussy for money right now. Jamaica man them are biggest balls. Yes, right now you need to buy condom for man them mouth because right now them man you not pre no cub. A be a idiot man them dog. One bugger bumbuckler idiot man to from and before. All a fucking them. Maria the idea. Got a good idea. Give them a start in life. Give them a bumbuckler start because right now. Yeah, do it, but you need to do it for your girl them because I girl them run things right now, dog. If you get no boy that kubia, you see this you see kuba you give boy them. Watch out. I show you how them nowadays batty man you pray life. Youngster. You see nowadays Jamaican faggot mama man them when you sit down at that. Boy them mobile for help, you know. Them mobile for help, you know. You see as a first set of chicken them where you buy there. So you started with 100 chicken. Big coop. Water machine. Beer feeding. You see when that done, them chicken they fat enough to kill. When him kill that 100 chicken and sell 75 and yummy rest. You eat that, you know? I eat that. You don't get it 2 clocks money, 2 shirt, you can braff. Remember, you know, you give him that. Intense. Him a go buy back some fall when him kill out them there. Him not buy back no fall. Him not go buy back no fall. Me I tell you straight. Me I tell you straight. The man them a go, you see same braff you know you talk about? Them a go kill it for them, sell it for them, and go braff. The same song where you sing about. Them carment, I better you take you up and give girl them. Take it up and give girl them, youngster. Don't ever give no to none of them boy. A girl have more to lose than them your body man. Youngster, give to a girl them. You can't say me never tell you. Find one look a big woman or so in her 30s, 40s. Where you see a try having pity them hungry. I better you take up your cup and go get shit. Then we more fucking look over here. Them you nowadays fucking idiot where you see a man. Remember them a boy you show body for money, a beer. Fuck them a fuck man for things and fuck girl for things. Them a boy you see them cocky if you get you in a life. Don't ever try misconstrue this. And I say work. So if you youngster say alright. And this I go on. Me I go buy some fall, gear start in a life. You can't bother boy you give Jamaican waste man them. Them that one bag of blood clot waste man. You need to go find Two of them single mother here with them and them pitney them hungry down there and them same little boy here walk up and down and a blood clot broth and not feed them. Find two of them mother there and give up. You that never lose in a life. Because them your boy are right you know when you start them so cause them a girl you know. They expect you yaksta fi all buy back the chicken them all the time put it in a cub you know. And they sell them and name them and so boy they roll like bitch you know. And the girl them a roll like man now. So if you say man and I girl them a talk. Because I girl them I new man them now. And the man them I new girl them now. You see what I deal with? So you better take up this cub where you want get and give to a nice hard working single mother. Because 95% of Jamaica women them are single mother. All of them have pitney and daddy. That's what them have. So if I me like you, me take up. What we are? How would this? Oh, can you know fuck either. Yeah. All of them little boy nowadays. I don't understand. And you know, I realize the Jamaica man them, we don't believe in a girl them boy. That's why uno island a deteriorate. It a rotten down because you don't believe in a girl them and sister, that's all you have left. Two, the girl them alone. I make you look good enough. The man them not do nothing for no blood clot. Jamaica man them are worse than workless you fuck. When you see they want to give woman a chance to run a place right way, and woman can get a fair chance in another country there, because you ask them, I tell you, it's a good idea you have to give that cub. Me would tag every single woman with them pitney where I struggle at Jamaica to get that cub there.